Hi sewing bestie, welcome back to my channel. So today you're going to be learning how to make this beautiful top. It is a beautiful v-neck top and it has a princess dart, and also it has a dart on the waistline, as you can see, and then the sleeve is a puff sleeve, a very beautiful elegant puff sleeve. So this is what you're going to be learning how to do. As you can see, it has gathered on the waistline, like the waistline is gathered. So stay tuned, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and then go ahead and like, comment, and also share it to your friends and family that you think they may need this video, this tutorial. And you guys, this is the pattern paper we're going to be using. If you check on our previous videos, you see that we have this pattern paper. So I have a pattern paper on the channel, so go ahead and check a video before this video, so you see how we drafted a pattern paper. So it's not hard, it's just a basic body, and then we now added a princess dart bustier for the front, and then the back piece is just a normal dart. Like I said, it's a basic body from your shoulder to your waist. So that is exactly how you're going to draft it. And then what we are going to be doing right now, we're just going to do a little alteration. So we're going to work on the side dart. That is the side dart. So we're going to be working on the side dart. So to get your side dart, you're going to measure from your front shoulder to your waist, and then from your back shoulder to your waist, and then you're going to minus it. Whatever it gives you, that is what you're going to be marking as your side dart. Are you guys following? So you're going to come down from your bust line, you're going to come down to mark that inches that you got after taking your measurement. So the next thing, I'm going to work on the neckline of this dress. As you can see, it was a normal 3x3 neckline. So now I'm going to come down to mark 6, and then I'm going to be using it as my neckline, which I'm going to be using a V neckline. So this is just how you're going to work on it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and fold the side dart. I'm not going to cut it out because I might need the pattern paper later for something else, for another dress that I don't want to remove the side dart. So this is just how you should do it. Just go ahead and fold it and then tape it down, just as seen in this video. And then on the front neckline, I'm not going to cut it out as well because I might use this pattern paper another time. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in just as seen in this video, and then I will go ahead and place it on my fabric, and then I will go ahead and cut it. So you guys, this is just exactly what you should do. It is not hard. And if you have any question, please go ahead and ask in the comment section. And you guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and place it just as seen, and then on the side of the princess that I'm going to be adding half inch to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out just as seen in this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please go ahead and cut it. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. So this is it. So the next thing, I'm going to cut out the back piece, and then I'm going to notch our zipper allowance. Go ahead to cut out the lining, and then on the main fabric also. So right now we are going to just go ahead and start working on the dress. So we're going to start sewing. So to sew it, we're going to start with the back piece, and then we're going to move on to the front piece. So for the back piece, you're going to go ahead and place your lining like this, front side facing each other, and then you're going to go ahead and sew the neckline by ½ inch, and then the side by ½ inch, and then you're going to sew it, but then you're going to leave your armhole open, and then your shoulder line, you're going to also leave it open. And then that's how you're going to sew the both sides, just as seen, just as I explained in this video. And then you guys, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and explain how we're going to be making the front piece. So you're going to just place it like this, just as seen in this video, and then you're going to go ahead and sew the main fabric, and then you're going to sew the lining fabric just as seen in this video. So you're going to hold it like this, right side facing each other, and then you're just going to follow your dart line by ½ inch. You're going to sew it to your princess dart line, and you're going to do the same thing on the lining fabric. So I'll just go ahead and sew it off camera, and then I'll bring it back. So you guys, this is what it looks like after joining the pieces together. This is what it looks like. As you can see, our dress is already forming. So right now you are going to pick up your lining fabric, and then you're going to place it on your main fabric, right side facing each other, and then you're going to go ahead and line up your neckline and the side, just the neckline and the side. So guys, on the back piece we are going to hold a dart. So for your dart, you're going to mark from your shoulder to your chest line on the both side of your back piece, and then from your zipper allowance you're going to go in by your nipple to nipple divided by 2, and then you're going to mark it a straight line, and then you're going to join it to your chest line, and then you're going to do the same thing on the both side, your nipple to nipple. From your zipper allowance you're going to mark your nipple to nipple, and then from there you're going to go ahead and mark ½ inch on the both side, and then you are going to join the point together just as seen in this video, and then you're going to do it on the both side, and then after that you're going to fold it just as seen in this video like this. You're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to stitch it by ½ inch on the both side of your back piece. And you guys, this is the front piece. As you can see, we have gone ahead to attach our lining to the neckline and then the dart line on the back piece, and everything came out looking very beautiful. Okay, this princess bustier, we're not going to be adding any part to it. We're not going to be adding just the lining and the main fabric. So right now we are going to join the dress together just as seen in this video. You're going to go ahead and place the back piece on the front piece, right side facing each other. Then you're going to stitch down your shoulder line, and then remember that we added 1 inch to the side, so you're going to stitch it down by 1 inches. And then I'm just going to go ahead and join it. I'll bring it back to show you guys what it looks like. So you guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to join the part together, the back piece to the front piece, and this is what it looks like. So you guys, remember this dress has a gathered waistline, so we're going to go ahead and attach the fabric to it. So first you're going to measure your waistline, and then you're going to go ahead and cut your fabric. Like maybe you can cut it ×3, but for me the length is about 98, and then the length of the fabric is, I'm using 8, like the width is 98, like how long the fabric is 98, and then the length, that is from your waistline to where the dress stop, is 8 inches. Remember, we are going to fold it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew a loose stitch, and then I'm going to drag a gathered, and then I will do it and bring it back and show you guys what it looks like. So you guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to drag my gathered, and then I've also pinned it down on the waistline of the upper body. So I'm just going to go ahead and stitch it down by ½ inch, and then I will bring it back and show you guys what it looks like. And you guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, our dress is very beautiful. And then the next thing, we're going to go ahead and attach a zip to it. So first I'm going to take how long my zip is, that is the length of my zip, and I'm going to go ahead and measure the same thing on my fabric to know if it's equal or not. So I noticed that the zip is longer than the dress, so I'm just going to go ahead and push out, and then I will go ahead and attach it. I will bring it back. So you guys, this is it. So the next thing is to work on the sleeve. So to work on the sleeve, you're going to just measure your round sleeve, and then you're going to go ahead and get your fabric, which you're going to be using it to draft your sleeve. It's just a basic sleeve. So we are drafting the 2 sleeves together. As you can see, I folded it into 2, and then the next thing, you're going to come down by 5 inch, and then you're going to go in by 3 inch, and then you're going to go ahead and divide your armhole by 2, and then you're going to mark it and add 1 inch sewing allowance, and then you're going to go ahead and connect it just as seen in this video. And then the length, you're going to mark the length, how long you want your sleeve to be, and then you're going to go ahead and mark it, and then you're going to draw out the line, and then the next thing, you're just going to go ahead and join the point together just as seen in this video. Of course, the hemline have to be free because we are going to be adding elastic to it, and then you notch the center, and then this is our 2 sleeve. The next thing, you're going to go ahead and attach it like this and stitch it down, and then on the hemline you're going to stitch it down by ½ inch, and then after that you're going to add your elastic to it, your ½ inch elastic, and then you're going to just join it together. The same thing on the other sleeve, and then you bring it back. And then you guys, this is what it looks like. This is our sleeve. As you can see, our dress is ready. As you can see how beautiful it is. You have already seen the dress at the beginning of the video, and you have also seen it on our YouTube short. And you guys, this is it. Please, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and see you in my next video. Bye.